Have you ever been eating an apple and suddenly wondered, how could such a small fruit make a big difference in your health? There's a saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. But is there any truth to this? Especially for those over the age of 50? At this stage of life, our bodies go through changes that are impossible to ignore. From visible signs like wrinkles, age spots, and duller skin, to physical discomfort, such as aches, slower healing, and a host of age-related ailments that can drastically lower your quality of life. Internally, it's no different. Your organs are aging too. Digestive issues, heart problems, and a weakened immune system are just some of the challenges you may face. Gone are the days when you could take your health for granted. Now, every decision matters. You need to be more mindful about what you're putting into your body and how you're caring for yourself. So, what happens if you start eating an apple every day after turning 50? In today's video, we're going to explore how this little fruit could bring about remarkable changes to your health. You might be surprised to learn how a small daily habit can lead to life-changing benefits. Let's dive in. The magic of an apple lies in its incredible nutritional profile. An apple isn't just a familiar fruit. It's a nutritional powerhouse, packed with essential nutrients that help keep your body healthier every day. In an average apple, you'll find natural carbohydrates, providing sustainable energy; fiber, supporting digestion and maintaining a healthy gut microbiome; vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that boosts your immune system and protects your cells; potassium, essential for maintaining stable blood pressure and promoting heart health; magnesium, strengthening your bones and improving muscle function. In addition, apples are rich in polyphenols, a group of plant compounds with potent antioxidant properties that help slow down aging and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. For those aged 50 and above, the body often faces challenges such as reduced digestive efficiency, higher risks of heart disease, and a weakened immune system. The unique nutritional composition of an apple makes it one of the most natural and effective solutions to support overall health. But how exactly does this impact your body after the age of 50? Let's find out. The incredible benefits of apples for your body, especially after age 50. First, apples improve digestive health. One of the most significant factors that can reduce your quality of life as you age is a decline in digestive function. After the age of 50, digestion often slows down, leading to issues like constipation or indigestion. Apples contain pectin, a special type of soluble fiber that nourishes beneficial gut bacteria and enhances digestive performance. Moreover, the fiber in apples helps remove toxins from the intestinal tract, lowering the risk of digestive disorders, including colon cancer. Second, apples protect heart health. It's no surprise that as we age, the risk of cardiovascular diseases increases significantly. In the United States alone, over 60 million people over the age of 50 suffer from heart-related conditions. The risk continues to rise, but apples can help reduce it. The phenolic compounds in apples help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and prevent plaque buildup on artery walls. Additionally, the potassium in apples aids in regulating blood pressure, keeping your heart in good shape. Third, apples reduce inflammation and slow aging. Aging is a daunting reality for many, even more frightening than death itself. By age 50, aging accelerates, and chronic inflammation becomes a primary contributor to diseases like diabetes, arthritis, and even cancer. Powerful antioxidants like quercetin, catechin, and vitamin C in apples help reduce inflammation, protect cells from free radical damage, and slow the aging process. Fourth, apples support lung health. Eating apples regularly can improve lung health, thanks to their abundance of antioxidants like flavonoids and vitamin C. One study found that consuming at least 5 apples per week enhances lung function and reduces the risk of developing chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. This benefit is especially vital for older adults, as lung function tends to decline over time. Fifth, apples boost memory and protect brain health. Apples contain physidin, a natural compound that helps prevent Alzheimer's disease and reduces the risk of memory loss. This is an essential benefit for people over 50, as memory and cognitive issues often begin to surface at this stage of life. Sixth, apples strengthen bones. After age 50, particularly for postmenopausal women, the risk of osteoporosis and fractures increases significantly. Apples contain plant compounds like floridin and antioxidants that improve bone density and help maintain strong, healthy bones. Seventh, apples reduce the risk of cancer. Antioxidants and flavonoids in apples have been shown to inhibit the formation and growth of cancer cells. Some studies suggest that regularly eating apples can lower the risk of lung, colorectal, and stomach cancers. With just one apple a day, you can protect and enhance your health in a simple yet powerful way. But to fully maximize these benefits, it's essential to eat apples correctly. Let's explore the best practices in the next section. You might be wondering, what if I eat more than one apple a day? Is that okay? Well, here's the answer for you. While apples are incredibly healthy, like anything else, consuming too many can lead to unwanted side effects. Here are some important tips to help you get the most out of eating apples without experiencing any downsides. 1. Avoid eating too many apples. Although apples are nutritious, eating too many in one day can cause bloating, gas, or indigestion due to their high fiber content. One apple a day is sufficient to enjoy the benefits without overwhelming your body. 2. Be mindful of carbohydrate intake. Apples contain natural sugars and carbohydrates, so if you're monitoring your blood sugar levels or have diabetes, control the amount you eat and time your consumption wisely. Eating apples between meals, for instance, can help prevent blood sugar spikes. 3. Wash your apples thoroughly before eating. Apples are often listed among fruits with the highest pesticide residue. If possible, choose organic apples. If not, wash them thoroughly with clean water or a saltwater solution to remove any residual chemicals from the skin. 4. Don't eat apple seeds. Apple seeds contain small amounts of amygdalin, which can convert to cyanide, a toxic compound, if consumed in large quantities. Remove the seeds before eating, especially for children and older adults. 5. Protect your dental health. Apples contain natural sugars and acids, which can harm tooth enamel if not properly addressed. Drink water or rinse your mouth after eating apples to protect your teeth, particularly if you're over 50, as enamel tends to weaken with age. 6. Eat apples at the right time. The best time to eat apples is between meals or before exercise when your body needs a quick energy boost. Avoid eating apples immediately after a heavy meal, as this can cause bloating or slow digestion. With just a few small considerations, you can easily incorporate apples into your daily routine as part of a healthy lifestyle. But is one apple really enough to make a big difference? Eating an apple a day after age 50, a simple choice with big benefits. By making apples a part of your daily diet, you're taking a small but powerful step toward improving your health. Apples provide a wealth of nutrients, help prevent chronic diseases, and support overall well-being in a way that's both simple and effective. So, why not start this healthy habit today? Give it a try and experience the difference for yourself. After everything we've shared, it's clear that eating one apple a day is a simple habit with extraordinary benefits, especially for those over 50. Apples don't just improve digestion and protect your heart. They also reduce inflammation, boost memory, support lung health, and strengthen bones. However, as emphasized earlier, the key lies in maintaining balance and eating apples the right way. One apple a day not only keeps illnesses at bay, but also enhances your quality of life, helping you enjoy a healthier and happier aging process. So, what are you waiting for? Start this habit today and experience the positive changes in your body. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss more exciting content in the future. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.